I'll give it. One second.
All right, thank you so much, friends. I know you can't get enough of it, but we will now be starting our Q&A session, requesting Anurita and Ratnam. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we'd now like to begin our Q&A session. We have Anurita, Ratnam and Varun in front.
Thank you. It obviously feels really, really good, but honestly, this film was not only made with that idea कि एक film को 100 crores करना चाहिए. The idea behind this film was to push dance, and that's what's happened. There's been so many people, so many dancers from so many families. Parents come up to me and tell me that oh हमारे बच्चों को नाचना था, but पहले हमें लगता था क्या करें, but अभी उन्हें classes में डाल रहे हैं, and they feel proud in saying अरे मेरा बच्चा नाचता है, or my son dances. So I think it's when a film has that kind of an impact, and I think ABCD is probably a film which has run all across the country, especially Maharashtra में बहुत अच्छा किया, which feels good for me because I'm born in Maharashtra. I think that's too far in the future. I can't speak about that right now. Right now, all I can say is that I have the Philips Aqua Touch and I have Dilwale next. That's it. Those are my two releases this year. मैं कौन होता हूँ नचाने वाला? बस I think जब पहली बार उन्हें देखा तो I was just spellbound and I was just staring at them. I think the whole country is going to go through that. It's an amazing feeling. They're one of the most loved couples in our country, and people are going to watch them on screen after so many years. It's amazing to just see them together.
So Varun, apart Dilwale, apart ABCD, tell us something about your venture with Philips first.
Like I said, you know, Philips is a brand that has so much goodwill, not only from now but from so many years, and it's created this goodwill because of one reason, because their products are of great quality. And since I've been a little kid, I've been hearing about Philips, seeing Philips in my house, different products all around. So actually, when I told my mom, you know, that Philips Aqua Touch has come and all that, the first thing my mother tells me, oh, it's Philips, then it must be good. So I guess that's what brand value and goodwill means. And when I actually got my hands on this product and stuff like that, earlier, you know, like many of y'all, even maybe डर जाता था. I would feel, अरे there are 3 blades over here, cut गया, something would happen. But the first thing I even told them was that I want to actually do this on stage to get rid of that fear, because this is a product which cannot harm you in any way. It in fact protects your skin. It has a rotary blade which protects your skin. So it lifts and cuts. So that means it's not actually hitting your skin also. It's just lifting the hair and cutting it off. And yet you're getting this clean shave kind of smooth look. So
ऐसी भी reports आई थी कि Brothers was offered to you first, then it went to Siddharth. So please clarify and tell us something about that.
There's no truth to that.
There's no truth.
No truth.
In the family, nobody replaces anybody. We are like a family at this point of time. So everybody is together, everybody is for a purpose.
Also, Arjun is like my family, so obviously in real life as well, so I won't replace him. He's very much a part of the Philips family. I'm for a different product, he's endorsing something else.
Varun,
नहीं, मैं जो फिल्म्स कर रहा हूँ मैं आपको बता सकता हूँ अभी, मैं सिर्फ दिलवाले और डिशुम कर रहा हूँ, ये अभी नहीं, नॉट बीन ऑफर।
वरुण बचपन में कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट किया था शेविंग को लेकर?
हाँ, बहुत किया था, और
कुछ
बहुत
बताएं कभी?
कट्स भी
जी।
वो होते थे ना, वे बचपन में जब बच्चे पहली बार ट्राई करते हैं, देन यू एंड अप एंड इट्स वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग क्योंकि स्कूल जाना पड़ता था, एंड टू गो विद दोस, एंड दैट टाइम तो आई डिडंट इवन वांट टू टेल माय मॉम कि मैंने शेव किया था बिकॉज़ आई वाज वेरी स्मॉल, सो आई हैव टू गो विद दोस टिश्यू मार्क्स, वो इधर टिश्यू एंड दे वर ऑल लाइक रेड डॉट्स एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ।
बचपन में किस समय आपने सबसे पहले शेव किया था?
आई थिंक छुपके मैंने कुछ 12 साल की उम्र में, आई थिंक 12 एंड आई नो आई डिड इट व्हाई, क्योंकि मुझे दाढ़ी भी नहीं आती थी, बट मेरा एक दोस्त था भाविक करके, उसको भालू बुलाते थे कि उसको बहुत दाढ़ी आती थी, तो वो शेव करके रोज आता था, एंड ही वुड मेरा ये रेज मेरा वो, और तो मैंने ट्राई किया, मैंने काट दिया अपने आप को, आई सेड ओह गॉड, और एक्चुअली सो आई एम ग्लैड दैट नाउ एटलीस्ट इफ किड्स इवन ट्राई टू मेस अराउंड विद दिस, के बच्चे कभी रेजर उठा लेते हैं पापा की या भाई की या कुछ भी बड़े भाई की, सो इफ अ किड इवन fools around with this, we know that they can't hurt themselves at least, you know.
But Varun, how do you react on a situation where there are reports been printed which